So it's like G, C, B flat, G, and all you're doing is barring all the strings. Oh, 5, 3, oh, 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 5, 3, oh. You can strum it. Oh, 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 5, 3, oh. On the day I was born, child. Oh, 5, 3, oh, and you can, remind me next time we'll do a blues scale. You get the idea. So that is kind of like Bad to the Bone or I'm a Man, Muddy Waters. All right, cool. And then we did Knockin' on Heaven's Door, just G, kind of a campfire version, D, A minor. Today we're just strumming. We'll roll next time. So G is open. Knock, knock, D on Heaven's A minor. And we're going like down, down, up, down, 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 up, down, 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 up, down, another down, down, up, down. So for that one, think of it as G, and then D is going to be 4th fret instead of 2nd fret on the high string. Otherwise, it's like your guitar D. And then A minor, make your guitar A minor, but put your 2nd finger on the high string to compensate. Cool. And then we did a major scale. Do, re, mi, fa, sol, la, ti, do, ti, la, so, fa, mi, re, do, and you can keep coming down. Ti, la, so on the low string, sol, la, ti, do, re, mi, fa, sol, la, ti, do. That's your G major scale. And then, and we did, help me out here. Thank you, right. G, always get what you see. Now, I think they would play it in a higher key. I think they do it in C in the recording, so you'd capo 5th fret to do that. But for just jamming at home, whatever, we're just going back and forth. And G, always get what you see, back and forth. You can take that G major scale. Just do little licks. And then the one little change, we'll go to an A chord, bar the 2nd fret. You try sometimes, then the C, you might find, and then back to the main part. You get what you G, and just jam. And we'll end on G. I think we got it.